welcome to Manufacturers Diary, a show where innovation meets inspiration. And today we are meeting the man behind the molecules, the leader turning Sika India into the backbone of India's next infrastructure transformation. Let's welcome Mr. Nilotpol Kar, Managing Director of Sika India Private Limited.
Thank you very much.
When you look at Sika's Indian chapter, what's the story you want history to tell 50 years from now? Is it about growth, innovation, or something more human like trust?
It's a very good question. By that time, Sika would be 165 years old, and Sika India would have been close to around 70 plus years. So that's a legacy. So when you talk about legacy, the most important thing you leave behind is footprint, which emotes with people. Yeah, being part of India's growth story. Behind every structure, whether it is residential, commercial, or infrastructure, we will be the silent people behind every grain of concrete or every brick which is laid there. That's how we want to be remembered as.
So how does your R&D team turn India's construction challenges from harsh climates to varying materials into opportunities for innovation?
Sika India, since 1987, we have worked with all the stakeholders. Yeah, what I call ABCDE, architects, builders, contractors, developers, and engineers. And we collaborate with them to understand the needs and the varying harsh climates, yeah, whether the structure is going to be close to the sea or internal, whether there is going to be very high temperature to be withstood. And that's how, based on the needs, we tailor-make solutions for our customers. And there are lots of proofs of structures across, being residential, infrastructure, or commercial, where Sika India has left a very good footprints.
If you could peek inside Sika's lab, what's one breakthrough which you are genuinely excited about that could change the way India builds?
Oh, I was waiting for this question. So, everybody's talking about low carbon emissions because, we want to leave things behind for posterity. So, we have a concept called low carbon concrete, which we are now discussing across the bandwidth of the country to ensure that low carbon concrete is used in most structures, again, be it residential, commercial, high-end residential as well, and infrastructure, where we come with principles of 3E, which is economy, we talk about ergonomy, which is comfort, as well as basically environmentally. So where we use low carbon concepts through our molecules in the concrete to deliver good results in efficiency in the overall delivery to the customer.
How is Sika ensuring green chemistry not just as a slogan, but as a formula for real impact, be it in communities, in factories, or on sites?
Our job is to provide solutions based on the needs of the consumer, high-end to the homeowner. And in every barrel or jerrycan or bag, there is a sustainability footprint. Yeah, it is all about how we make it more efficient through low VOC, which is very important, or the ease of using less energy in constructing building. So from waterproofing solutions to concrete solutions to tile fixing solutions to flooring, it is all about durability, because our repair costs are almost negligible if people build with Sika solution.
How is Sika blending physical world and digital worlds together so as to make construction more efficient and intelligent?
So globally, we have a lot of these AI tools now available, and a few of them have been already introduced in India. The most notable is the Sand app, which people use to reduce time by about 75% towards the preparation of concrete. You know that concrete uses sand quite a bit, and sand varies from the east to west, north to south. And with this, I would say it's like an X-ray machine. Instead of doing physical manual evaluation in the lab. They can actually do it as if on an X-ray plate and do concrete mixes very easily. So this is the speed with accuracy, with a track record, because this data is captured. So people can use this data to reconcile in future as well to implement this. So this sand app is combined with a concrete mix design app, and it delivers, because concrete after water is the second most consumable thing across the world.
Okay, now suppose if you had a magic AI assistant for Sika, what's the first thing you would ask it to solve in the construction ecosystem?
Everyone is talking about AI, yeah, in every field.
Right.
So in construction, if you ask me really what is the magic one, I would like to have a magic AI tool which predicts lifetime delivery of concrete structures over 40-50 years with the data which they can record from the building which has been constructed. So that's my dream.
So how do you make something invisible but indispensable like a waterproof membrane which actually stand out and it win trust in a crowded market?
Sika is one of the rare companies, obviously being a global giant, and India also we have a very prominent position in the market. When we talk about waterproofing membranes, almost the entire range is in-house. So when you do in-house and you do the molecular, conjugation, to deliver performance, which is basically the delight of the customer, you basically take into account a lot of the factors which the consultants and the architects and the developers want to give a peaceful, leak-proof roof or basement to the individual. And that is how we do ahead with our R&D.
Do you remember a project or a client moment when Sika literally saved the day? One that reminded you why you do what you do?
I have two extremes, instead of one. One is where it's the low end, slum rehabilitation. The project was running 6 months behind schedule in Bangalore. And with Bangalore Development Authority and the contractor, we devised a concrete which could be placed in so fast a way, delivering quality, efficiency and reliability that the project was delivered in time. So this is on the low end. It's a slum rehabilitation project. The other one is another extreme, which is a tunnel. In North Sikkim, I remember, this is a project where access to the tunnel was so difficult and you had to place concrete. And they pumped it over a distance of around 2 kilometers, traversing, on a horizontal decline, which was quite challenging, but it again delivered the project almost in time. So these are two of the most outstanding ones of the past. Of the very recent past, the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link Road project, as well as the Coastal Road, a unique bridge deck waterproofing membrane. You mentioned about waterproofing membrane was installed in matter of a few months. It was about the speed, efficiency, the quality and meeting the customer expectations and specifications. So these are the three ones which speak about the prowess of Sika's innovative power.
When we look at 2030, what is your boldest vision? Is it carbon neutrality, global R&D leadership, or making India Sika's innovation capital?
That is also a very good question. We are in the process of setting up a very big regional hub for R&D in India in the coming years. And this will not only be a hub for India, but it will also export technologies to other parts of Asia Pacific and maybe of the world. India has robust group of talents, and we are proud of our team who actually delivers to the customer what they require and sometimes beyond that.
So how do you keep your team motivated and inspired when your playground is as massive and complex as India's construction industry?
Like a soccer game, you have diverse talents, people have acumen in the commercial part, in the technical part, in the service part, even the back end, whether it is finance, HR, supply chain, all people work as a team to deliver what is required as we proverbially use a term called customer centricity. So every individual is geared as a part of his mindset towards customer centricity to deliver in time.
What's your secret ingredient, the Sika additive, which keeps your leadership bond strong even under high pressure?
So like copolymer bonds in chemistry, yeah,
Right.
everything is joined. Yeah, there is no break. And that is where I believe these bonds, yeah, which go beyond just delivering numbers or scale. It's all about the human relationship and interaction, trying to understand, train people, develop people, and keep them going as the company grows.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a lovely interaction with you.